Hello kids, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today we are writing small letters ABC. So first of all we are writing A. Now B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Now again repeat this: A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This is H, I, this is J, this is K, this is L, this is M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, this is U, this is V, W, X, Y, Z. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks. Goodbye.